Okay. Oh no, yeah, we are seeing it. So yesterday, I didn't realize it was Thanksgiving, American holiday, so they weren't open. And I got into my trade yesterday, and where did I get in? Let's look at it. 25,298. I believe. Yeah, it probably wouldn't have been more than a 50 pip stop loss. But overnight, yeah, it's got in my favor. That's my lines today. I didn't really adjust my lines, so it's quite irrelevant. Everything kind of took place within my yellow lines. And yeah, the blue line where it was the previous day, today's Thursday, that was Tuesday's high. It's already broken that, but at the moment it's below it. This being the day chart, you can see my Purlpe take profit. It's quite a big one, but yeah, considering they didn't work / making money yesterday, maybe they go for it. Maybe they'll go for it. If it continues up, I don't really see anywhere else it would go. Yeah, we're still maybe at the same place, or maybe it could just be there. 519. But let's see. Have they kicked off? Now I did have, I wouldn't have been stopped out already. I did move my stop loss previously to 25,337, which is just under my yellow line. But as price was coming down, I didn't like it. And experience has showed me a few times when I've come out the trade, I would have just been better staying in. If I can come out and catch it back, there's nothing wrong with that. But yeah, it makes my life a lot easier to just stay in the trade. So I'm trying to stay in this one and see if it will go. Currently, where I've got it at 25,307, let's call it break even. It's a little bit above my entry. We'll just call it break even, nothing else. But yeah, no immediate signs that guys are ready to go. And there it is. The sign. That's, yeah, it's quite only a half a sign, but it's a sign. We need to see where candles close, not just where they're headed. But I like it. So when I woke up and I saw the trade saying 18 pounds now or thereabouts, it got to as much as 20, and again I was thinking, do I take it out? Start again at 230, but sometimes it just works. Closed above the little mini range. That one also closed above. Yep. So where I haven't got my yellow line there, but yeah, we're now going past or going up to the high of the day. That's the most important close. Where would that one close when it breaks it? But keep in mind, these are minute candles, not 5-minute candles. Oh, wow. Yeah, it's a really good looking candle. Where will it close? My second yellow line being previous day's high, but now it's pretty much converted to today's low. They were close enough to it that if they wanted those stops, yeah, they could have got those stops easily. So, yeah, we're assuming they don't want those stops. Will they just go double money for yesterday? We want to run. We want to run. The Bulls. We want to run, but they don't want to let us. So we go a little journey to our TP. Maybe 25.30. By 25.30 I would have made my day's target. Now, mind taking into consideration I didn't make anything yesterday, or do I just look at it as I didn't lose anything yesterday? Getting that pushback, they're not coming quietly. Yeah, let's pick it up later. So the market is closed early for the weekend. I did look at it. I did see it at 6:15 UK time, but yeah, didn't remember. Didn't remember. So price is at 25. Sorry, price is currently 25,483. Think I'm gonna go 6.7 with a stop. 467. I have been stopped out earlier, by the way. Let's just do this. 467. £21 thereabouts. Let's look at it. Yeah, so that's where I kind of imagined it would go anyway. So yeah, and leaving the profit still of 25,627. I'll show you where I got stopped out the trade earlier. It was £15 take profit. So I got stopped out at 367. I got in at, call it 300, so 70 pip profit. And my new trade, I went in at 389, so I went in 20 above where I got stopped out, so I lost 20 pips, which again is why I think to myself, I need to be able to know when to stay in and when to get out. But that's the thing, I don't think there's going to be a blanket. Like, I can choose, or a person can and will choose a blanket thing that they do. But where I believe every trade has its own uniqueness, each situation has to be read, but then within that, you can't overdo it. So let me show you the day. Yeah, so it's still going up. So I'd assume it's still going to go up. Let's look at the week. The week probably did great. Yeah, that's a very engulfing. It's not. Is it engulfing? No, it's not quite bigger, but it's gone past. So I'd expect the week to continue. Looking at it now, I mean by the end of the following week. But no, I'm gonna leave this till Monday as it is. Do we need to adjust our lines? We'll do it on Monday. So my blue lines are wrong. They're where my yellow lines are. And my yellow lines are where they're supposed to be as well. So we'll adjust that on Monday. Again, just that final look where we are. Yeah. We'll see what happens on Monday.